of the key features of the Levanta roller brake tester is that a single man operation. This enables us to complete a brake test on one of our longest assets with 15 axles with only the requirements of the one bloke under 15 minutes. The detailed report that the Levanta brake tester gives with per axle and left and right split gives us a quick indication of where areas that need more attention, and if a brake component's worn and needs replacing, it'll give us a decel percentage of that wheel isn't doing as much braking as the opposing wheel is, and makes it safer for everyone else on the road.
So as the workshop manager at Inland Petroleum, I get my staff to do a brake check before we do in-house maintenance, and after they've completed the repairs on the vehicle, we go around and we do it again. That gives us 2 printed reports, a before and after. So if we're ever involved in an accident, we have the appropriate documentation, which is above and beyond our industry requirements.
Further to the brake tester, we also have the shaker that gives us an extra measure of checking to see if our trailers are in roadworthy condition. Gives an indication of the wheel bearing play, and also if there's suspension bushes that are starting to wear out or any other movement that's in the driveline. And again, this just reduces our labour time. We know exactly where to look on the trailer and what to repair first and what to look for. The Levanta shake tester is 20 tonne rated, which enables us to check the heavy equipment and eliminates the need to have a support jack in the middle.
Here at Inland Petroleum, maintaining our vehicles to the highest industry standard is our main priority. With the Levanta brake roller shaker, we can maintain our equipment to the highest level that our competitors can only aspire to.